Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best A15 mount is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone looking to securely and stylishly display their devices, offering a robust solution that blends functionality with aesthetic appeal, ensuring your valuable equipment is not only accessible but also protected from accidental damage, making it an indispensable addition to any modern setup. Number 5. Tyseam AR Wall Mount for 223 5.56 Rifle. Crafted from high-quality PA plastic, this mount is built to last. It's strong enough to securely hold your firearm and withstand significant weight without any issues. Featuring a sleek, frosted surface, it protects your firearm from scratches. This design is compatible with AR-15s and can even hold a PMAG, ensuring your rifle stays secure. Mounting is a breeze with the included screws. It provides a precise and snug fit, ensuring your firearm is held perfectly without the risk of falling. Enjoy flexible installation with vertical or horizontal positioning, and left or right mounting. It allows for quick and easy loading and unloading of your rifle. You'll receive one wall mount, 4 screws, and 4 wall anchors. Please note that a cable lock is not included. What we like. This mount is made from high-quality PA material, ensuring it's strong and durable. Its low-profile design keeps your rifle secure without being obtrusive. If you're looking for a versatile mounting solution that can be positioned either vertically or horizontally, this is a great choice for displaying your firearm. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and holds the device securely. Installation was straightforward and the included hardware was sufficient. Number 4. PA Material Gun Wall Mount. Crafted from high-quality PA material, this mount is incredibly strong. It's designed to reliably hold your firearm, withstanding up to 300 pounds of tension. Its thoughtful construction ensures your gun fits perfectly without bumping against the wall. The sleek, frosted surface prevents any scratches. This mount features an ambidextrous design for versatile placement. A groove at the bottom aids in magazine suspension, and a hole is included for a cable lock for added security. Mounting and dismounting is a breeze with its unique design. The package includes the mount, screws, and wall plugs for fast setup. We stand by our product with a full lifetime warranty. If you encounter any issues, you're eligible for a full refund or a replacement. What we like. Constructed with high-quality PA material and a frosting treatment to prevent scratches, this mount offers robust gun support. It also comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you prioritize long-term value and protection against wear and tear, this option provides excellent security and a commitment to quality. What people say. The mount is sturdy and holds the camera securely. Easy to install and adjust the camera angle. The design is sleek and blends well with the wall. Number 3. GuRK Folding Gun Hooks Wall Mount. Introducing the GuRK gun hooks, the perfect solution for storing your firearms. Keep your collection safe and organized with our innovative design. Our gun racks feature soft padding to prevent scratches and damage to your valuable firearms. Ensure your guns are stored safely and securely. When not in use, these hangers fold up neatly, saving valuable space. Keep your gun room tidy and organized with this compact design. Designed for maximum stability, these mounts attach securely to your wall. You can trust them to hold your firearms safely without worry. These racks are incredibly versatile, capable of holding various items including long guns, shotguns, rifles, swords, and bows. They offer a secure and convenient storage option for almost anything. With a sleek, minimalist design, these mounts provide a clean look on your wall. They allow you to display your firearms attractively while keeping them easily accessible. What we like. This gun rack features a unique folding design, making it incredibly space-saving when not in use. The padded rest ensures your firearm won't get scratched. If you need a versatile solution that can accommodate various long guns, swords, or bows and want to keep your space tidy, this compact and sturdy hanger is ideal. What people say. The mount is sturdy and holds the camera securely. Easy to install with all the necessary hardware included. The adjustable angle allows for optimal camera positioning. Number 2. Spartan Mounts Locking .2235.56 Rifle Mount. This mount is designed for standard 223,556,300 caliber rifles. It's the perfect addition to your gun room, safe, or for showcasing your favorite build. Engineered for exceptional durability, it has been tested to hold over 175 pounds without any loss of strength. You can rely on its robust construction. It securely latches into the mag release and includes a hole for a standard cable lock. This offers the ultimate blend of security and ease of use. Its low-profile design keeps your rifle accessible and neatly displayed, saving valuable space. It mounts vertically or horizontally to suit your needs. Crafted from high-strength PETG using advanced 3D printing technology, this mount is built for long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. It provides a snug, damage-free fit that remains secure over time without scratching your firearm. Join over 100,000 satisfied customers who have purchased more than 250,000 products. You can trust our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. What we like. This mount offers a secure locking mechanism and is constructed from high-strength PETG, tested for extreme weight capacity. Proudly made in the USA, it ensures both security and durability. If you're looking for a robust, secure, and domestically produced solution to display your rifle with added peace of mind, this mount is an excellent selection. What people say. The mount is sturdy and holds the camera securely. Easy to install and adjust the camera angle. The design is sleek and blends well with the camera. Number 1. Mount It, Full Motion Gas Spring Monitor Wall Mount Arm. Tired of a cluttered desk? This monitor arm mounts directly to your wall, freeing up valuable space for a cleaner, more organized workstation. It fits most monitors from 13 to 32 inches, supporting up to 14.3 pounds. Visa mounting patterns of 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm ensure wide compatibility. Enjoy full motion flexibility with tilt, swivel, and rotation. Extend it up to 17.1 inches to reduce glare, improve your posture, and find the ideal viewing angle. The smooth gas spring allows you to effortlessly glide your screen to the perfect height. Once set, a simple adjustment ensures it stays exactly where you want it. Constructed with durable steel for long-term stability, it also features integrated cable management to keep your wires neatly hidden for a professional appearance. Installation is straightforward, attaching to a single wood stud or solid concrete wall. All necessary hardware and clear instructions are included for easy setup. Need assistance? Our knowledgeable US-based technical specialists are ready to help with setup, compatibility questions, or any troubleshooting you might encounter. What we like. This monitor arm boasts a gas spring for smooth, effortless adjustments and offers full motion flexibility for the perfect viewing angle. Its space-saving design mounts directly to the wall, freeing up valuable desk space. If you need to optimize your workspace for comfort and organization, especially in tight areas like an RV or a compact office, this mount provides a clean and adaptable solution. What people say. This mount is very sturdy and holds my TV securely. The installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear. It allows for a wide range of motion, making it easy to adjust the viewing angle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.